जय स्वामीनारायण। धोरण 8 गुजराती मीडियम विषय इंग्लिश। विद्यार्थी मित्रों, अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर अंदर एक निबंध बाकी है तो विजिट टू फेर एक निबंध लखायो तो माय स्कूल। तो आज आप विजिट टू फेर विषे एक निबंध लखी देशू कि जे अपना पाठनी आधारे एक निबंध आवे छे। अपनो एक पाठ है टीना और मीना वाळो, जेनी अंदर विजिट टू फेर टीना विविध मेळानी मुलाकात ले छे। ते मुलाकातना आधारे आपणे एक निबंध लखवानो छे। तो निबंधनी अंदर मेळामां आवता स्थळो विविध प्रकारना जे जोवालायक होय तेना विषे लखीशुं। तो આપણે શબ્દ ટીના મીના ન વાપરવો હોય તો આપણો ખુદનો શબ્દ પણ વાપરી શકાય। આઈ વિઝિટેડ વિલેજ ફેર એ રીતે આપણે શરૂઆત કરીશું। આઈ વિઝિટેડ। જો તમે ગામડાનો મેળો જોયો હોય તો વિલેજ ફેર અને ટ્રેડ ફેર જોયો હોય। ટ્રેડ ફેર એટલે વેપાર મેળો, તો વેપાર મેળા વિશે આપણે લખવાનું વિલેજ ફેર। આઈ વિઝિટેડ વિલેજ ફેર between हालोल and पावागढ़। We went there and अथवा ऑटो रिक्शा ना लखવું હોય तो we went there by bus। बस द्वारा गए। देर were two small temples, outside a small village। I went there with my parents, We reached there in the evening अथवा in the morning। આપણે જે શબ્દો બદલવા એ બદલી શકીએ છીએ। The open ground between two temples was full of people। The open ground between the two temples was full of people। લખી નાખો મિત્રો, પછી આપણે આગળ લખાઈએ। चलो मित्रों लखाई गयु। हवे आगळ देर वे पेरेग्राफ पाड़ो हो तो पाड़ी सको छो। देर वे मेनी शॉप्स, टॉय शॉप्स, स्वीट शॉप्स, एंड कलरफुल बाजार of household item. Some children wear standing in front of a toy shop. They were looking at a small plane. The shopkeeper was showing them the plane. The children laughed with joy. लखी नाखो मित्रों। There were many shops, toy shops, sweet shops, and colorful bazaar of household item. Household એટલે ઘર વખરીની ચીજો. Some children were standing in front of toy shop. બાળકો રમકડાની દુકાન આગળ ઊભા હતા. They were looking at small plane. The shopkeeper was showing them the plane. The children laughed with joy. હવે આગળ લખીએ આપણે. We also saw a merry-go-round and a giant wheel. The merry-go-round was quite small. The merry-go-round was quite small, but giant wheel was really huge. The place was full of noise. The place was full of વોઇસ એટલે અવાજ અને નોઇઝ એટલે ઘોંઘાટ હતા. There were many loudspeaker. There were many loudspeaker. Playing famous song. Playing famous song. There were many children in the giant wheel. We saw a juggler too. We saw a juggler. जुगलर ने करामतबाज कहेवाय. करामत करतो होय. He was playing with. He was playing with 5 balls. With 5 balls. And was keeping all them. Keeping all them in the air. બધા દડાને હવામાં ઉછાળી રાખતો. It was wonderful. It was wonderful. I enjoyed a lot. લખી નાખો મિત્રો.